Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to download T-modloader to a PC, Terraria.com, whatever, Terraria, just putting it into Terraria on your computer. You can only do this on computer, you cannot do this on Xbox or PS4 or consoles and phone. So, sorry guys, but it's just for PC only. So what you're going to want to do is go to the websites I'm going to be linking in the description. You're going to want to download this right here. You're going to want to download now. Click download now. Don't click to buy. You don't want to buy this, do you now? Now when you're going to download, you're going to click download, and then you have to set it up and all that. I will link this in the description. And then you also want to go here, which I will be linking this in the description too. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to scroll down all the way down to the download section. Now there's going to be 4 different sections to download something. You're going to click the one that you are currently on. I'm currently on Windows, but I've already downloaded both of these. So I am going to be closing out of this. Now I'm going to open up my T-modloader for Windows. Now what you're going to want to do is go to your PC, go to Windows C drive, go to your program files x66, go to your Steam, go to your Steam apps, go to common. Now what you're going to want to do, I'm going to make sure you can see that common. Alright. Now what you're going to want to do, go to Terraria, Terraria, Terraria. Now, I already have it installed, like I said, but what you're going to want to do is grab literally every file here besides this one right here, the very, very top one with the dot, and drag them all in. Just drag them all in. Wait, but before you drag them in and replace everything, I'm going to want you to right-click your Terraria, and you're going to want to copy it, kind of like this. You're going to want, oh my god, a train, Jesus. You want to right click that, click copy, and then you should get the copy of your thing. I've already made 2 copies, so it's probably not going to make a copy. But now, when you're done, you drag all of it in. You just go like that, you just yeet it in, and then you close out of that, you close out of this, and then you open your game. And I'm gonna pause the recording until it's loaded and ready to launch. Alright, now once you're in the game, you're gonna notice a few different options. You're gonna see mods, mod sources, mod browser. You're gonna notice that there's a mod sources, mods browser. This you won't see. This is part of the mod pack I downloaded. You're going to want to go through your mod browser and download whatever you want. There's tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of mods. There's so many I can't even count. I can't even count how many developers there are. See, this was updated 1 hour ago. These are very, very active. They're usually never off. A great mod I like to use for my stuff is called Overhaul. Overhaul is a really good mod. It makes the game a bit more realistic, adds aerodynamics. It just makes the game feel better and look better. But otherwise, this is gonna be it, guys, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.